another episode of Depreciation Nation, and today we are again in Terre Haute, Indiana. We are filming at the Gears for Grunts car show out of Top Guns. We are in their facility right now. We're going to show you a little bit about their facility. We are privileged to actually judge this car show. So we're going to take you around. We're going to show you some of the cool cars. We're going to show you a little bit of Top Guns. So we're here with Drew, and Drew actually happens to work for Top Line Detail, which we have referenced in a number of videos. It's cool to actually interact with one of the guys from there. And behind me, you're going to see Drew's 2011 Subaru STI. Drew, what's done to the car?
So the car has a STI Type RA short block in it.
Okay.
IAD oil pickup, Killer V oil pickup, Killer V window tray, IAD air oil separator comfortably, and a good 93 octane.
Nice. And what kind of power is it making?
Right around 350.
When it passes emissions.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So one of the great things about being in Indiana is that we don't have to pass emissions here, and therefore we have a little bit more freedom with cars than what we would have in the state of Georgia. You're going to see some pretty wild stuff today. So thanks for coming on, Drew.
Thank you.
And perhaps you'll see more about Drew's car in the future. Next on the list is the gray 1940 Ford Standard number 033. So that wraps the 2021 Gears for Grunts car show in Terre Haute, Indiana. All of the proceeds from this show benefit the Loyal Veterans Battalion. Make sure you comment, make sure you like, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen so that you don't miss more awesome content like this, and we'll see you next time.